To install the Bitmart app, follow these steps. First, go to the App Store on your mobile device. Either the Apple App Store for iOS devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. Next, search for Bitmart in the search bar and select the Bitmart app from the search results. Make sure to choose the official Bitmart app to avoid any potential scams or fake apps. Once you have selected the app, click the Install button to begin the download and installation process. Depending on your device and internet connection, this process may take a few seconds to a few minutes. After the installation is complete, click the Open button to launch the Bitmart app. You will then be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. To create an account, click the Sign Up button and follow the prompts to enter your email address, password, and other required information. You will also need to verify your email address by clicking on the verification link sent to you by Bitmart. This is an important step to ensure the security of your account. Once your account is created and verified, you can log into the app and start exploring its features, including buying, selling, and trading various cryptocurrencies. It is also important to enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. This can be done in the app's settings menu. By following these steps, you can successfully install the Bitmart app and start using it to manage your cryptocurrency portfolio. Remember to always prioritize security and follow best practices when using any cryptocurrency app.